Shocking! Things you should never attempt with apple cider vinegar explores the right and wrong ways to use this popular health remedy. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is known for its many health benefits, from weight loss to better skin. Let's look into the common mistakes to avoid and make sure you're getting all the benefits without the risks. But the real question arises: are we using it the right way? Stick around as we reveal the 7 big mistakes you might be making with apple cider vinegar, ACV. Number 1. Avoid drinking it right after meals. Taking apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning can be good for you, even if it tastes strong. But drinking it right after you eat might upset your stomach and cause digestion problems. To get the most out of its health perks, wait about 20 minutes after drinking it before you eat anything. This helps make sure it doesn't mess with your stomach's normal work. Number 2. Excessive consumption and medication interactions. Apple cider vinegar has lots of health benefits, like helping your heart and maybe even preventing some diseases. But it's important not to have too much. Drinking a lot of it can cause problems like slow digestion, especially for people with type 1 diabetes, weaker bones, and damaged tooth enamel. Number 3. Don't drink it straight. Are you drinking your apple cider vinegar straight? Apple cider vinegar is great for you, but it's very strong and acidic. If you drink it all by itself, it could hurt your throat and stomach. To enjoy its benefits safely, mix it with water or another drink before you have it. A good mix is about 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a big glass of water. Number 4. Inhaling or sniffing apple cider vinegar. Some home remedies suggest inhaling apple cider vinegar steam for sinus congestion relief, but this practice should be approached with caution. You might have heard about using apple cider vinegar steam to clear up a stuffy nose. However, breathing in apple cider vinegar directly can actually be quite harsh on your breathing system. Have you ever tried using apple cider vinegar for sinus relief? How do you use it safely? Let us know. Number 5. Use a straw. Apple cider vinegar is quite acidic, which means it can weaken your tooth enamel if it touches your teeth too often. Enamel is the hardest surface of your body that protects your teeth, and a smart way to enjoy apple cider vinegar benefits while keeping your teeth safe is to use a straw when drinking it. This helps keep the vinegar away from your teeth. Also, it's important not to brush your teeth right after drinking apple cider vinegar. Number 6. Avoid before bed. Drinking apple cider vinegar just before you go to sleep might cause acid reflux for some people. This can be uncomfortable and might even hurt your esophagus. To prevent this, it's better to have apple cider vinegar earlier in the day. Also, make sure to stay standing or sitting up for at least 30 minutes after you have it. Number 7. Direct skin application. Using apple cider vinegar directly on your skin for its benefits like clearing up acne or improving your skin's clarity might seem like a good idea, but it's important to be cautious. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic, and applying it directly on your skin without mixing it with water first can lead to irritation or even chemical burns. To enjoy the skin benefits of apple cider vinegar safely, it's best to mix it with water before use. A good guideline is to combine 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 10 parts of water. This creates a milder solution that's gentler on your skin. You can use this mixed solution as a facial toner to help with acne or as a scalp treatment if you're dealing with scalp issues. This approach allows you to harness the positive effects of apple cider vinegar on your skin without exposing yourself to its potentially harsh side effects. We've just learned the best and worst ways to use apple cider vinegar to keep it beneficial and not harmful. Remember, it's key to avoid taking it right after meals, dilute it properly, and not mix it with medications without advice. These tips help us use apple cider vinegar safely and effectively. Ready to optimize your apple cider vinegar routine? Keep these pointers in mind, and let's enhance your health journey together. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health advice. Have your own experiences or tips with apple cider vinegar? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.